Project code ITBIO02. Project title: Diagnosis of Skin Cancer using Arduino and Image Processing. Aim of our project is to detect the skin cancer of the patient using image processing. So by image processing, it checks the skin as cancer skin or healthy skin or healthy skin in existing. Manually checks the status of the skin cancer patient. Drawbacks: no accuracy, manpower required to check, manpower required to check check the cancer, skin cancer. In proposed system, in proposed system, using image processing, using image processing, check the status of the skin cancer, like cancer skin or healthy skin. Advantages: fast detection, accuracy is more, manpower to check is not required. So block diagram. So we use controller. So from image processing, the output we will get to the controller. So image processing checks the input image, that is, um, the whether the skin is affected by cancer or not, healthy or not. So using MATLAB, so that they identified by the MATLAB software and given that result to the controller. Controller will display the result in LCD and send message to the patient about the result. And for abnormal condition, like if the if the input image has skin cancer means, then that is abnormal. So it will buzzer and IoT will update the data output data result in the web page. So in image processing, we give input image, that is patient skin image. Okay, so that input image is processed by the MATLAB, processed by image processing, image processing, and given that output image to the controller, to controller. This is done by the MATLAB software. Hardware: we use Arduino Uno controller. It is Atmega 328B with 5 volt DC and one serial communication. Operating voltage is 5 volt DC, one serial communication. GSM to send message to the patient about the result, about the skin cancer result. So it operating voltage is 12 volt DC, 2G based network model, GSM model. Next, IoT we use ESP8266 Wi-Fi module. So update the result in web page. Update the result in web page. Buzzer alerts for abnormal conditions of the result. Okay. Next one, LCD displays output. We use 16 columns and 2 rows LCD. So this is hardware explanation. Now software. So we use Arduino IDE. So Arduino controller has its own software called Arduino IDE. In Arduino controller, we have to develop instructions that are to be executed by the controller. So develop instructions to execute by the controller. Next one, embedded C. Programming language used for microcontrollers. Next one, MATLAB by image processing method. Identifies the skin cancer skin cancer from the input image. Real-time example, skin cancer detection, skin cancer detection, white blood cell cancer detection. Conclusion. From this proposed method, by using image processing technology, that is image processing method, the skin cancer detection is identified and update the result to the patient. Result to the patient. Thank you.